Hey you guys, thanks for watching. I have a new crochet stitch for you. It's a double single crochet. It looks like this. It's a bit of a compact stitch, but still very fluffy, or well, it's not that stiff. So I'm going to show you how you can crochet this double single crochet stitch. I'm having a 3mm hook, a little bit of yarn. For this stitch it doesn't matter how many basic chains you are starting with. So I'm starting with 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is a small piece I'm going to crochet. Then the loop on your hook, you don't count. So this is your first, your second and your third stitch from your hook. And in this third stitch you'll put your hook through, pull up yarn, and with a single crochet normally you would do yarn over and pull through 2 loops, but now you do yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and you still have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is your first double single crochet. In the next stitch we do the same. Yarn through the stitch, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Next stitch, yarn through your hook through the stitch, pull your yarn up, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is what you'll repeat until you are back at the beginning. So hook through your stitch, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. In the last stitch, it's here, pull through 1, pull through 2. I've got 1 stitch left, I'm sorry. So the last stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2. Okay, so this is your first row. If you see that your work is curling up a bit like this, it means that your hook is too small and you need a bigger hook. But if your work is pulling like this, so this is your base chain here, that means that your hook is too big and you need a smaller hook. So make sure you are having the right hook for your yarn. From now on, this is only the thing we are going to repeat. So chain 2 for turning, turn your work, and in the first stitch, that's here, this is your first V. We're gonna do the double single crochet. So yarn through the hook through the stitch, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Next stitch, I always say just take your piece and take it a bit apart so you can see where your next stitch is. So over here, hook through your stitch, yarn up, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And again in the next stitch, yarn up, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're gonna repeat this until we are at the end of this row. If you're having a hard time to see what the last stitch is, I'm gonna show you when I'm back to the end. or back to the beginning of the last row. Still have difficulties just to explain the stitches from Dutch into English, although I have learned to crochet in English. But okay, so the last stitch is this one here. You can see that this is the this is not the last stitch, but here it is. If you take your work a bit apart, you can see that the last space is here, and also this is the last V. You can put your hook through this stitch. Make sure you get it through both loops. So yarn up, pull through one, pull through two. Now you see that here's a little bump, but it's going away when we are crocheting the next row. So chain 2, and then again repeat the previous row. So in this stitch, as you can see, I'm pulling it apart a bit, so this side will be more straight. Hook through your stitch, yarn up, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. The next stitch is all the same for this stitch. So this is how you crochet the double single crochet. I hope you enjoyed this and you can do some projects with, and I hope to be back with you with another stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.